I really loved the first Incredibles movie. You wanna know why? Because it gave me a superhero I could relate to. Yeah! The superhero with the family pack. Hello YouTube, Ash here and welcome to today's episode of Special Talks. On today's episode I will be talking about The Incredibles 2. Now as you know, this is a kids film. I need expert. Expert. Say hello to people.
Hello people.
What's your name?
Amy Jo.
So, hello YouTube, this is Amy Jo.
Hello YouTube.
So today we're going to be talking about The Incredibles 2. So let's go. Let's get into it! So The Incredibles 2, I know this is going to be blah 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 for a few seconds, but just be quiet. Okay, so The Incredibles 2 is the sequel to The Incredibles, which came out in, I don't know. Came out in 2004. Why are you clapping?
I don't know.
And again, it's directed by Brad Bird, who also wrote it. And yeah, so it's taken ages to get the sequel out. So let's get into the story. So the plot of the film picks up right after Incredibles 1. Superheroes are still illegal. Boo. Boo. And then this mysterious man gives Elastigirl a job to be a superhero and record her, so you know superheroes can become legal again. Yay!
Yay!
But then during her missions, she meets a super bad guy, which is Screen Saver or something like that, who hypnotizes people. What the hell is that?
Hypnotizing.
Okay, that's enough. You can scare people. So after the hypnotized guy shows up, things go crazy, and you know it's a fun adventure, and that's the plot of the film. So Amy Jo, what was your favorite character?
Jack.
Why did you like Jack?
Because he was like this.
Okay, so he screams a lot. Okay, and what was?
And then he vanishes.
And then he vanishes.
Like. Boop, 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 boop.
Okay, we get it. He vanishes. Okay.
And then comes back somewhere else.
And he shoots lasers out of his eyes and. Okay, so what was your favourite bit? Well, my favourite character was probably Jack as well, because he's just funny and you know he made you laugh.
Even Mum is her favourite.
Yeah, even Mum liked Jack. Okay, so what was your favourite bit? Okay, my favourite bit was basically when Jack's doing his stuff and like he turns into this monster as she's demonstrated, blah, blah, and he starts biting. And he says, "Don't bite, Daddy! No biting, Daddy! No biting, Daddy!"
Let me explain that. Don't bite, Daddy! Don't bite, Daddy! Don't bite, Daddy! Naughty Jack!
Yeah, so that was the favourite bit.
I need to tell you what's my favorite.
Okay, well yes. What's your favourite bit? Okay, you think about that.
Part.
The same part. So not only Jack, but the whole film. Did you like it?
Yes.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to say more about it?
Yes. It was very funny.
Very funny. Okay. And do you think it was better than other cartoons that you've seen, or you just like everything?
I like everything.
You like everything. Okay. Okay, so from my end, I thought it was fun, it was good, the animation was really cool, lots of excitement.
Can I tell them something?
Yes, you can say something.
Look where it fell.
Okay, then don't eat the see your teeth. Anyway, so as I said, the film was fun, it was enough with the teeth!
I'm like a vampire.
Okay, so anyway, enough with the vampires. Okay, no, but it was funny, I thought it was well directed, it was exciting. Probably the first one is probably a bit better. Yeah, and I thought all the characters were funny. As I said, Jack was very, very funny. Probably he stole the whole film, you know, he was so funny. Mr. Incredible was good, okay. Elastigirl had some really good powers, and I thought that the family worked together. Also, the villains were good because they meet a lot of other superheroes, and, you know, they have all different powers that you've seen in other comic books. But, you know, in the cartoon, funny, animated, it was good. So, what have you got there?
snake that is almost taller than the camera.
Okay, so we've got a
And
snake.
his name is Snaky.
Okay.
And he needs to do this. I'm coming for you guys.
Okay, so we've got a snake
Let me
now.
go put him back. He wants
Go.
to go to this gate. Oh no, he's shaking. Look at this. He's shaking, guys. Oh no. Go back in your cage. You Mr. Snaky.
Quality reviews from Official Talks.
Ah, he bit me.
So if you like the first one, you're going to go watch this film because, you know, Pixar always do good films. Pixar also did Coco. You liked Coco, didn't you?
Yeah.
Even though it was very sad. You like Monsters Inc. They did Finding Nemo, Finding Dory, you know. So Pixar do a lot of good cartoons, all that you like. Yeah, so if you...
Even Jumanji.
No, Jumanji is not a cartoon. And it's not by Pixar.
Oh,
Okay.
I still like Jumanji.
You like Jumanji, okay. Also, the music is good as it was in the first film, you know, it's the same team. But yeah, it carries the film along, and as I said, the effects are very good, and it's really exciting, and the villains, you know, there's really not much you can say, as we said. If you like the first one, you're gonna go watch this one. So ratings, I will give Incredibles 2 4.5 out of a 5.
Why not a 5?
I don't know, because, you know. Okay, I'll give it a 5 out of a 5. Happy? What are your rating?
Down and you know.
They can't see down, do that.
Okay.
Okay, so
I give it a 100 billion out of a 5. I know that doesn't exist, but still.
okay, so rating has been 100 billion out of 5 and 4.5 out of 5. Yeah, so
You said it's 5.
okay, so a 5 out of a 5. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, peer pressure. So yes, you can say goodbye now. So I'll close the film.
Goodbye.
Okay, Amy's gone now, so let's close things up. As I was saying, The Incredibles is great. If you like the first one, you're going to enjoy it. I thought they were a little bit, they dragged a bit because when they split up, when Elastigirl does her own stuff, although it's funny seeing Mr. Incredible doing household chores and like coping with the kids, I think that this film, the group, works better when they're as a family, and that was fun, and I was looking forward to seeing more of that. Yeah, and it deserves to be watched, and I really hope they don't wait another 14 years before they give us Incredibles 3. Because, you know, if you've had 3 cars, we should definitely have 3 Incredibles. So anyway, that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments which is your favourite Disney Pixar movie. I know it's a classic question, but let me know. Also, let me know in the comments, would you like to see Amy Jo back again for other kids' films? Let us know. So that's all. I've been Ash. If you want to follow me on social media, please do. I have Instagram, I have Twitter, so follow away. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And
turn on the notification button, and then going to bed.
okay, so turn on the notification bell. I do 1 to 2 videos every week, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.